Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your social studies teacher from Darul School, Madinatul Hujjaj, Kolra Road campus. Hope you are all fine. Okay, students. Today we are going to start our lesson number 3, which is Earth, our home. Okay. As you all know that we have 8 planets in our solar system. Anyone tell me that on which planet we live? Yes, we live on the planet Earth, which is third planet from the sun. Why we live on the Earth? Because on Earth there are all possible things that we need for a perfect living environment. That's why we live on a Earth. It's a blessing of Allah for us. As you know that in the whole universe, the Earth is the only planet to have life on it. Life on the Earth is possible because of the Earth's perfect living environment. Allah has blessed our Earth with air, water, and cultivable land required for the survival of all living things. We have air, water, land, and these 4 things are the most important spheres of the environment that we need for living on the Earth. There are 4 spheres of the environment which we need to live on the Earth, that is air, land, water, and living things. These are the 4 parts of spheres that interacts from Earth to the life. Okay. And scientists refers these natural spheres as the atmosphere, that is air, the lithosphere, that is land, the hydrosphere, that is water, and the biosphere, that is living things. Atmosphere includes air, lithosphere includes the land, hydrosphere includes the water, and biosphere includes the living things. Okay, let's start our study with the atmosphere. That what is atmosphere? Anyone tell me that what is atmosphere? It includes the weather and the climate also. What is the weather today? Like today weather is rainy. So, it is the atmosphere around us. Atmosphere is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is a blanket of air. The atmosphere not only helps us to breathe, but it also protects the earth from getting too hot or too cold. It protects the earth from the high temperature and the low temperature. It also protects us from meteorites. Atmosphere is mainly composed of the nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. Okay, atmosphere is composed of the nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. Nitrogen is composed by 78%, oxygen 21%, and other gases 1%. Other gases includes helium, carbon dioxide, etc. Now, atmosphere has 3 main spheres. One is lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. We discuss about these spheres later. Now we discuss about the layers of the atmosphere. Layers of the atmosphere. There are main 5 layers of the atmosphere, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. What is troposphere? Troposphere starts at the Earth's surface. It starts from the upper Earth surface and extend to 8 to 14 kilometers above from the Earth's surface. The weather in this sphere changes from the layer. It starts from the Earth's surface and extend 8 to 14 kilometers above. The next is stratosphere. Stratosphere starts above the troposphere. Stratosphere starts from the troposphere and extend to 50 kilometers above troposphere. This layer includes the ozone layer that protects the earth from harmful rays of the sun. Stratosphere is the layer of atmosphere which protects us from the ozone layers and from the harmful rays of the sun. Next is mesosphere. What is mesosphere? Mesosphere starts above the stratosphere and extends to 85 kilometers high. This layer burns the meteorites. Next is thermosphere. Thermosphere starts above the mesosphere and extends to 600 kilometers from mesosphere. Man-made satellites are found in this sphere. Last one is the exosphere. Exosphere starts from the thermospheres and extends to 10,000 kilometers above from thermosphere. It is the edge of the Earth's atmosphere. It is edge of the Earth's atmosphere. Exosphere is a layer of atmosphere which is the edge of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and exosphere. Thank you so much. Your homework is that you have to learn the layers of atmosphere and write it on your notebooks.